take scenario analysis. Assuming rupee can move from 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, anywhere. Or we can take a little narrow, realistic scenario of 82 to 82 to 86.20. So in all these scenarios, there are different products which we selected, and these are the costs, and this is the effective rate. Effective rate is including the premium which you are paying. So, forward is a rate where your rate is 82.27. 82.27 is your rate wherever dollar rupee goes. So, and in each scenario, we have marked the best products with green and the next best products with yellow, and red. Red are the bad products. So, if rupee goes to 86.25, obviously forward is the best product, right? Because you are protected at 82.75. And also, if you see, the range forward is a good product. Range forward, because your worst case is again known here. 82.5 was the worst case. So 82.5 and 46 paisa premium, 82.96. That's the case. If rupee goes to 82, forward is the worst product, red. And range forward is also looking on the red side. So, and this is the way the scenario analysis is done. So you can actually try to select a product which suits your view, which matches with your view.